guys, welcome back. Today I have Nicole with me and I'm really excited for this video because I love talking about placement for the money piece. In past videos that you guys may have seen, I've talked about this a lot. I have like a bit of a measurement system of how far back that section should start. She's such a perfect model for the challenges that come with creating a very balanced, connected money piece. And I'm gonna show you why. But just looking at her hair, I was almost hesitant to do her hair for this video because I'm like, your hair looks great. When we started dissecting it, some of her feedback is that her light pieces, they don't connect all the way down. We can see that they stop right here. So what we're gonna be able to do is create a really connected, the brightest piece should really be here and come all the way up to here, and then shadow, and then they should connect into this front piece here, get skinny. This is gonna be really awesome. I'm super excited. It's gonna be a lot about sectioning and then a super simple foil placement. Most important part of this entire result is sectioning. So follow along for our perfect money piece. I'm looking for where the head rounds off of the comb. This hair just falls straight down over the ear. That means that the hair in between these two spots is pushing dark forward. I do get a little bit more visual on the side. What am I building here? And then this is going to be the front part of her money piece. I'll resection the top after I get the sides. Take a horizontal section from the recession just above that parietal. Especially in this area, people's hair can be so different from side to side. Like right now I'm feeling like there's not as much hair on this side. So like being able to create balance in an unbalanced haircut is really creating magic for a client. That front piece, I'm just clipping the back out of the way. Because it almost has like a kind of a demarcation line here. In my opinion, this hair is probably where it needs to sit the longest. So I just took a slice and wove it. Okay, so from here we need to tip out. It may not tease very much, but just a little bit of a tease helps. We're going to do 3 fingers. 3, 6, 9. Tease right below the guide from where I want to paint. And talk about my toner choice. And I think we're going to be able to use what we wanted to in the beginning, which I mentioned 7NB. And this is just going to go all over. And then I'm going to put the 5N on the hairline. I'm using my Sheila Stotts brush just to make sure that everything gets through really evenly. What's missing before is it connecting all the way to the ends. It kind of stopped where these layers from the sides are. So it kind of stopped about here. And now you can see that that color continues all the way down. You know, it was all about sectioning. We did a lot of pre-sectioning, and I actually would approach it the exact same way that I did in a real client situation with all those clips and all that sectioning. That 7NB 1/4 clear all over. Overall, I just think this came out really beautiful. I did do a little bit of a root tap on, so making sure to have like a really chestnutty brown is just gonna be so beautiful on their complexion. So yeah, so I think this came out really beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and that's it. Thanks guys.